If you're a homeowner in the Greater Toronto Area and you need to sell your home right now or in the near future, and you're not sure what your next steps are, and you're not sure how COVID-19 might impact the value of your home, or if it's even possible to sell, then let me really quickly address a few things and touch on some questions that I'm hearing from my community and from my neighbors. And I'm going to give you some answers. Today, I'm going to talk about using your home equity during the COVID crisis. Hey everyone, Cora here. There are lots of reasons to refinance your home. One could be to consolidate debt from a high interest situation. Another could be to purchase a second property, while a third could be investing in much needed renovations for your home. However, unfortunately, some people are dealing with the loss of their jobs or business, and they're looking for a short-term fix until their situation improves. Refinancing your home can give you a safety net, and it can also alleviate some of the stress that we're all facing. There are a few things to keep in mind. Number one, if you're breaking an existing mortgage to refi your property, you will need to pay a discharge penalty, and that fee can range from the thousands. So please make sure that you check with your current lender. Number two, right now current interest rates are quite low, especially for those stuck paying over 4%. Many of the big banks are offering rates around 2.89, saving you hundreds a month on a mortgage and thousands over the lifetime. Number three, the loan amount your bank will give you depends on the value of your property at the time of the appraisal. As of today, values are still generally consistent with the peak market that we saw in January, February, and March. However, as the pandemic persists and sold properties drop in numbers, appraisals will begin to suffer and therefore values will begin to lower. In order to maximize your refi potential, you need to have your value appraised as high as possible, as some people in the general area will undervalue their home and sell for much lower than market value. Unfortunately, that person has set the new standard for the value moving forward. Remember, you want to apply for a refinance before you absolutely have to and before values start to soften. My name is Cora and I'm with Citylite Realty, and I want you to know that I'm here for you and for everyone in our community. And if you have any questions at all about your home, about selling your home, about our community, and about even income properties, please feel free to reach out to me. And I promise I will get back to everybody and answer all of your questions. Remember, I'm here for you. And as always, please stay safe.